welcome back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha. I am a master herbalist and I'm studying to be a naturopath. And for the last few videos, I've been doing a series on how to properly cleanse your body. And this is video 3? No, it's video 4. Oh my goodness, time is flying. All right, video 4. And the system that we are going to start cleansing next. First, I must make a disclaimer. Even though I'm studying to be a doctor, even if I was a doctor, I am not your doctor, and you need to do your own research and talk to your healthcare professional and get whatever, you know, don't just take my word for everything. Take your health into your own hands and ask the questions that you need to ask. All right. If you haven't already, go back and watch the other videos. If you're starting here, here is not where you want to start. This is not the place to be right now. You need to go back and watch the other videos. It's very, very important to do things in certain steps. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this. The next part we're going to cleanse is our lymphatic system. So we've already done the fasting, which was a 3 to 10 days. We've already cleaned out our lower bowels to get our exit thing moving, elimination channels out. And we also did cleansing of our liver and our gallbladder. Now we're going to be moving on to our lymphatic system. All right, so I'm going to list off some herbs that I like to make into my own remedy. And again, Dr. Christopher has a lymphatic formula. I don't think it's called lymphatic. I will have to post down below what it's actually called. I think it's called like INF or something like that, some weird initials. And I will see if I can find it and post it down below. But what I like to use personally in my own concoction is I use red root bark, and I use echinacea, elderberry, thyme, plantain, golden seal root, bugleweed, black walnut, lobelia, and marshmallow into my concoction. And I do 3 of those 3 times a day. And again, just like with the liver and gallbladder and the lower bowel, you're going to continue those. So for the lower bowel, you're going to take 1 3 times a day if it's tolerated. I mean, if you feel like, hey, I get diarrhea after 2, then just stick with 1. Or even if just 1 causes diarrhea, then just go like every other day or every couple days. But it's still important that you are taking those, and it's important that we still are healing the liver. All these things are taking time. It actually to keep those elimination channels cleaning and healing. We're just slowly adding things in so you're not blasting your body into Herxheimer reaction, which is not what we want to do. So, and we want a specific order of doing things to get our body cleansed. And our lymphatic system is the 3rd system we are cleansing. All right, dry skin brushing is very important in this step. So if you weren't already, which you should have been doing the dry skin brushing every day, we want to do that again, okay? We should be doing it every day. We're brushing towards our heart, and we want to be doing that maybe about 15 minutes, but you want to do it before you take a shower. Showers are still really important. You know, even if we're just getting in there, we're just doing some nice steamy hot, just get it. And that's another thing with our lymphatic system. We want to get moving. So warming up ourselves. We're going to be drinking lots of yarrow tea. Yarrow is a diaphoretic. It's going to help us to sweat. I like to add a little bit of cayenne pepper to get it heated up a little bit. You're going to drink as much yarrow tea until it starts coming out your ears. Dr. Christopher says the way that you tell that you've had enough yarrow tea is when it comes out your ears. So those are his words. I can't claim those words. But yarrow tea, dash of cayenne pepper. If you like the hotness, just put that cayenne pepper in there. We're going to get sweaty. We're going to do saunas, hot yoga, whatever to get our lymphatic system moving. Is very important. We have our immune system in our 70% in our gut, and another 15% in our lymphatic system. So it's important to get our lymphatic system moving. All right, our diet, and then that's going to be it off my list. I want to try to keep these short and sweet and educational. All right, our diet is pretty much going to be the same. I know, I know. But you guys, I'm so happy. You guys are making it this far. If you're at this stage, this is what this is gonna be week 3. So we're gonna be doing this for a week, okay, with our lymphatic system. So 3 weeks, and you guys are getting yourself healthy. Keep saying those positive affirmations. Add to them, speaking it into existence. I am healthy. I am healed. No sickness lies in any area of my body. Repeat those positive affirmations several times a day. Continue earthing. Continue doing your meditation. Continue stopping all electronics and stuff an hour before bedtime. Getting enough sleep. We're still going to be drinking half of our body weight in ounces of water. It's very important. We're also going to be adding in 16 ounces of carrot and beet juice. If you guys have a juicer, please start juicing 16 ounces of carrot and beet juice. So 8 ounces of one, 8 ounces of the other, however you want to do it. Just as long as you get 16 ounces of that, it's going to help clean out our lymphatic system. It's going to help fight free radicals in our body. It's going to cleanse out areas that we didn't know we had. All right, so 16 ounces of that, and you don't have to don't chug it. Drink it throughout the day. You can add a little bit of lemon juice in it to help keep it preserved and add some vitamin C to it, but 16 ounces of a combination of beet and carrot juice is what we're adding into this lymphatic cleansing part. Whew. Squirrel! No, I've noticed I've been doing that in my videos, so I have to add that in. And yeah, all right. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll put some information in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in the next video where we're going to talk about the next system that we're going to be cleansing. I hope that you all are well. Blessings to you guys and happy healing. All right, you guys.